So here we have another assembly. I've already glued in the lens. So I'm going to put in the switch this time with the LED down. I'm going to negotiate it into its position above the rail, but below the catching rail that's further down inside the body. I got to put in the little rubber bumpers for the switch connectors, and then I negotiate this guy down. Come on. There we go. Okay, and then it should just clip into place. Does it? Does it? Yeah. So it just does a little bit. Again, I'm going to use a little bit of CA glue to lock the circuit board in place. A little bit more on the other side. And then negotiate the battery into the housing. And the shortest lead, which is the black, will go forward and sit into the little carrying connector, carrying space. And then, oops, just enough space to take the paper insulator, nice. And again, lock in the and because the electronics are a little bit fragile, handling them can sometimes cause a cable to disconnect off the PCB. I'm going to bring some spares with me. I'm going to bring some spares with me to the playa. Since this module is a module, I can easily pop it out and replace it on an existing AstroPup totem with very little effort. So I'll bring some spares of these, and then if there is any electrical problems, I don't have to try and fix an electrical problem. I can just swap out an entire module and it'll be fine. All right, one more. Again, battery. This time, this LED has got to go up. So we'll put it up, we'll leave the battery out for the time being. Oh, actually the battery's got to go in first because the battery's below the circuit board. So we'll do the battery in its little container. Again, just enough to get it in there, yes. And the circuit board with the LED up. The circuit board fits into the little rail with the retaining button at the top, and this one's just a little bit tighter and it just kind of snaps into the layer lines like that. Again, a little bit of CA to lock it in. some accelerant, and the final board on this one. Not bad. If I were reprinting these, I would consider moving that oval hole in this module a bit more forward so that as it was designed, the cables from the solar panel don't get crushed by the body, but that's okay. These will probably be just fine. As my father used to say, good enough for the girls I hang out with. Come on. This CA glue is quite thick, which makes it nice to squirt onto parts, but a little challenging to get out of the container. And once again, lights, lights, lights. 3 seconds to turn it off, and we're good.